Well, value hunter, this one's for you. I've been once again swamped for little tiny tigers, so I'm going to make a bunch of those too. So, welcome my friends. Let's melt up some silver. It's cold in the shop today, so we'll have to be careful with things. See you in a while. Okay. Now we got the little fella there in the cooker. There we go. And we got some silver and a brand new crucible. All ready to rock and roll. So let's give this a try, eh? Looks good. Up on top, but nope, it's gonna be okay. Here you go, my friend. And that is that. Now I'll get set up for tigers. Now the beauty of doing these little tigers, they can be very, very difficult. But once the crucible is hot and everything is all weighed up and set up right, and I get just the right amount of silver ready, they go pretty quick. So we're almost there. And I'm sure you've all seen this a dozen times, but let's go for a baker's dozen. Here we got a puddle. A new crucible is always so nice to work from. I've had to retire 5 of them in the last little bit. They just did not want to help me out anymore. Okay, here we go. The birth of a tiger. Well, folks, last but not least, here comes tiger number 10. Now, I just got these new crucibles, and I wasn't sure about them at all. They seemed very porous, thin-walled, but I'm liking them. Seems that material's coming up to heat faster. I mean, time will tell, so who knows. So here we have 10 tiny tigers Isn't that a beauty, huh? And a larger one for the good sir, Value Hunter. There you go, bud. Your stuff will be in the mail today. Bye now.